Hi guys, it's me again. I'm making another video. Today, I'm going to catch you guys up on what I've done since my last video, which I think was mostly wiring and stuff, and kind of what I'm doing today, what I've done. So, here it goes. So I put the back doors on, and I cut out the wheel, the wheel wells. Right, this was already here. This was from the previous person trying to repair it. A lot of Bondo. You can see right there, there's a lot of Bondo in there, but for now I'm just going to keep it. Good old Quick Performance rear end. Shout out Quick Performance. But this side isn't as pretty as the other side, but I'm not really worried about it because it's not going to be seen because the fender flares are going to be in there. But see, I welded all this stuff up, welded the hole there because I'm not going to have the fill tube there. Sorry, it's a little dark. I don't know if you can see very well. I filled that little, from the old subframe, or the old frame. That hole there I'm going to leave open for now because I might use it for something. I'm not sure, but just kind of tried to clean this stuff up. It's still pretty ugly. Old metal, old car. So this driver's side I did a little bit better because I actually cut a piece of metal. Let's face this way. Did a little better because I cut a piece of metal. Wow, that's really bright. There we go. To fill in that gap in the between the inner fender well and the outer fender. So here's what this one looks like. This one looks a little bit better. Again, not too worried about how nice it looks because it's gonna be covered by the flare, which I'll show you later. But did all that. Filled this. This is a big hole right here. And now, basically what I'm going to do now is just squirt it with black paint, and it covers a lot. Black paint covers a lot. So I'm going to work on that. I got to have both hands. So I'm going to put you guys down and I'll be right back. Alright, we just on the time lapse, so just basically squirting some paint. This is what I was using. Let me get it out of here. I was using the Rust Barrier Preventative Coating. Rusted or bare metal. Seals, corrosion, impact resistant, flexible, rubberized, finished, right? So it's kind of like undercoating in a way, but it's a lot thinner. Which is fine, and there's a lot of fumes. Basically, I just wanted to cover, all the bare metal underneath, and as you see, I pretty much did that. Pretty good, not too bad, just for now. The other thing I'm going to do though is, and you'll see, so in here, if you look in here, I don't know if you can see very well. You can kind of see. So there's still some holes, little pinholes and stuff like that. Because, again, this metal is a pain in the butt to weld, and instead of spending a whole bunch of time trying to weld it, because once the car is running and on the road and dialed in, then I'll start doing major body work and getting it looking good and pretty. I have an idea on a paint scheme and all that other stuff that I want to do on it. I'll give you a hint. There's your hint. But for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take seam sealer and I'm going to squirt it in. This is the other side. This side's a little rougher than than that side I just showed you. But like, I'm gonna take seam seal and I'm gonna put it like all in here in the cracks and on the tubs, right? I'm gonna put seam seal like all along here, and you know, just everywhere, basically pretty much almost everywhere I welded that is exposed to the outside of the car, I'm going to seam seal. So I'll seal the whole car. The idea is to get the whole car sealed so that nothing can get through: smoke, gas vapors, you know, water, all that stuff. You know, it's not gonna be perfect. Sure, some will get in from places that I forgot or through the door frame cracks and stuff like that, but I'm gonna do the best I can. And as far as, because you know, the doors are older, and all this stuff here, I have replacement for this, but I have to get replacements like for the felt and the squeegees on all the doors. These doors are in really good shape for, you know, for what they are, but they need a little love still. And yeah, so as will the whole car. But this is still empty, as you can see. However, it won't be empty for long. I have a tight schedule this month. It is the 2nd of December right now. I'm going to try to get this video edited and out this weekend, either today or tomorrow. It's like currently Saturday. And my goal, like I said in my last video, I think, is to get this on the road and running in by January. By my birthday, technically, which is the beginning of January, but it might not get on the road until towards the middle of January. But there is a Datsuns and Coffee down here on the 3rd Sunday of the month, and I am determined to drive this freaking car, that car right there. I am determined to drive it to that Datsuns and Coffee, because I'm tired of talking about it. I'm tired of having to tell the guys, yeah, it's still in the garage, yeah, I'm still working on it, yeah, blah 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 blah, right? So all this stuff, what's under here, is going to be going away temporarily to get some work done on it, fixed. And I'm going to work on that. Oh, this little guy over here. I got a crap ton of boxes over here, right? And this one even says GM on it. Ooh, baby. I got lots of cool stuff. I have a plan, and I'm going to bring you guys along with me on my plan, which means I'm going to commit to doing a video, at least 2 videos a week. 2 videos a week. I'll try to videotape just about every day I work on the car, and then I'll try to put things together and, you know, just cobble together some sort of informative video, just so you guys can see how it's going and come along on the ride. If any of you guys are local, you know who I'm talking about, you want to come over and help, I'll need the help this month, because it's going to be a grind. I've got a lot to do. Anyway, that's going to be it for today. Short video. Make sure you like and subscribe. It'll help out a lot if I can get my subscriptions up on this channel. Maybe get some more funding, because I'm squeaking it by. I'll get by to get it on the road, but it's far from my ultimate goal. Merch, check out my merch on Etsy. I'll leave a link in the description. I'll also keep posting on Instagram, which I do quite often. I'm going to post a little bit of what I just showed you in the more raw stages on Instagram. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.